Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 1 of 9, Body. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name, Body. Select the folder, Butterfly Wall. Say OK. Create a sketch for the base feature. Select the XY plane for the datum plane. Draw a circle from the sketch origin to a diameter of 280 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Enter the end distance value 225 mm. Say OK. Now create a sketch in the top face. Select include and select the outer edge and say OK. Now draw the profile of the lug. Select the profile tool. Draw the outer profile of this lug sketch. Select geometric constraint and make symmetric about the vertical axis. Draw a circle from the sketch origin to a diameter of 350 mm. And select the sketch, convert to reference. Now dimension this radius 50 mm. Draw a circle at the intersection. Diameter 47 mm. Select geometry constraint, make coincident. Select the arc center to the center. Apply. Now trim the extended curves. draw a circle, trim the unwanted circle. Now our leg is profile is completed. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Specify the vector direction reverse and enter the distance 32 mm. Select unite in the boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketches. Now pattern the lug feature. Select circular layout. Select the extrude feature. Select the specify vector to z axis. Specify the point to the origin. Count and span, enter 3 in the count and span angle 360 degree. Select OK. Create a datum plane at distance. Select the XY plane. Enter the distance 112.5 mm. Say OK. Now select mirror feature. Select the extrude. Press and hold control and select the pattern feature and select the existing plane. Select the newly created datum plane. Say OK. Hide the datum plane. Now create a datum plane at distance. Select the XZ plane. Reverse the direction and enter the dimension 160 mm. Okay. Now create a sketch using the new datum plane. Specify the origin point. Select the datum of the origin. Draw a circle in the vertical axis at 0 minus 112.5 mm in the YC value to a diameter of 200 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select extrude. End distance, select until next. Select unit in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the sketch and the datum plane. Now unhide the datum plane. Create a datum plane at distance. Select this datum plane 8 and enter the distance value 325 mm. Say OK. Hide the previous datum plane. Now create a sketch in the new datum plane. And specify the origin point, origin of the base feature. Okay. Now draw a circle of diameter 75 at xg0 coordinate and yc minus 112.5 mm, a diameter of 75 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude, direction, reverse the direction, and the end value select until next. Select unit in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Hide the datum plane and sketch. Now create a simple hole to a diameter of 194 mm. To specify the point, select the origin, select normal to face, select depth limit through body, select subtract in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Now select the hole tool, select counter bored hole, enter the hole diameter 56 mm, counter bore diameter 100 mm, counter bore depth 25 mm, select normal to face through body, change the limit depth limit to value and enter the hole depth 310 mm and tip angle 0. Subtract in the Boolean operation. To specify the point, select the center of this feature. Our counter bore hole has been created. Now create a sketch on this face. Draw a circle of diameter 150. convert this to reference. Create a point. Select specify point. Select point dialog tool. Select the quadrant point. Select this arc and say OK. Close the dialog box. Finish the sketch. Now create a hole. Create a threaded hole. Select M20 into 1.5. Select metric fine. Select M20 into 1.5. Normal to face. Hold depth value 40 mm. Select the Boolean operation subtract. Say OK. Now select pattern feature. Select the M20 into 1.5 thread hole. Specify the vector. Specify y-axis. To specify the point, select the center of the circle. Enter count 3, span 360 degree. Say OK. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 1, part 1 of 9, body.